Hi friends, welcome. Today we're making a Mississippi pot roast in the crock pot. This style of recipe is one of my favorites because it is so easy. It's a great dump and go kind of recipe. Okay, here's all my ingredients, and I will put this in the description below. And I've got my chuck roast seasoned and ready to go. Okay, it's seared in the avocado oil, both sides, and I've got that in the crock pot. And now we're just going to start adding all of our ingredients. I've got 1 cup of beef broth. And got a few garlic cloves. I've got a half a package of the onion soup mix. A stick of butter. About 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. And some pepperoncini peppers with the juice. That's where the magic happens. Okay, we're going to put a lid on it, and we're going to put it on low. Slow and low is the name of the game, and we're going to cook this for about 8 hours. Okay, friends, we're back. We're about 6 hours in and just want to check it. Wow, smells delicious. Woo, smells super good. Okay, we're just going to check it out, see how we're doing. Kind of stir a little bit. It smells wonderful. Okay, it looks and smells great. We're going to put the lid back on and probably cook it for another couple of hours. Okay, friends, it's done and it smells delicious. Wow, smells good. It's just falling apart. And you can serve this over mashed potatoes or egg noodles or serve it with some vegetables. Can't wait to dig into this. And here we are. I made some homemade mashed potatoes and pepperoncini peppers with the juice. And you have a Mississippi pot roast dinner. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.